Good morning, guys. So today is day 2 here in Caye Caulker. We just got up, had a nice like 9-hour sleep. I haven't slept that much in ages, so yeah, feeling refreshed. And I think today the plan is that we're gonna try and find some bikes, because here there's no cars, which is cool. So the only way you can get around is like these little golf carts, that like golf taxis, or just rent your own bike. So yeah, I think we're gonna rent our own bikes, go for a little bike ride and explore the whole island. Alright, we got 2 bikes here, $7 each for the day, pretty cheap. Let's go, Carol. So this is cool. There's basically like a little bike trail across the beachfront. So you're just riding around, seeing all the cool beach huts, the seafront. And the south side of the island's actually pretty much uninhabited. So you kind of see in the island in its natural form before they started building stuff. So it's just mangroves and palm trees everywhere. So let's see what else is down here. We just found this little rundown pier here, so I'm gonna check this out. The boardwalk's not really that safe, I don't know. Alright, I passed the obstacle course. Now I'm at the end of the pier here. It's a shame the sky's so grey. This will probably all look beautiful. Alright, so the weather has kind of opened up again, like 30 minutes later. So we've come to another pier here, a better pier. Like you can see, it's not as run down as the other one. So I think we're actually going to go in the water. We can jump off here. Should be pretty cool. No way, is that a stingray, Carol?
Yeah.
Wow. It is huge. Jump in after it.
No.
Now I'm scared to go in. So I just took my drone for a spin. It looked like I almost was gonna lose it. It was like really windy and I was really struggling to bring it back, but yeah, luckily I got it back. Hopefully I got some good shots as well. And right now we're gonna leave this part. We're gonna head back up to the north, probably grab a bite to eat, hopefully find food cheaper than we've been finding so far. And then we're gonna go to another place there that was like a little beach that we saw yesterday with really nice clear water. So we're gonna check that out if the weather's still like this. west side of the island, and this seems to be more where like the locals live, I guess. There's all these cool little colourful wooden houses everywhere. Don't see many hostels or anything, or tourists, but yeah, really nice. Got any fish dishes? How much?
Belize.
Oh yeah. $28. What's that, like 13, 14? Yeah. All right, we've come to Maggie's Sunset Kitchen. So the prices are still similar to yesterday, though. You can see here a lot of the fish dishes are like, yeah, $15, $14. So I'm getting this coconut curry veggies for about $10, and Carol's getting this Maggie's Belizean stew chicken, only $7. Thank you. So I got this Belizean beer here, local beer, Pelican, $2.50. Rice and beans, vegetable curry. What is that, baked potato?
Yeah, it is.
What's yours?
A Belizean chicken, mashed potato, and rice and beans.
Good?
Yeah, really good.
So that was a really nice meal. The food's there very different. They like to add a lot of taste to it. Like they add coconut to the rice, which makes it really sweet as well. And now we're gonna find the beach. All right, here it is. Looking good. That is some beautiful looking water right there. Yeah man, here's such a nice place. If you come here to Belize on the west side, got beautiful palm trees, nice colorful buildings, really nice water as well. And like I said before, it's the only part that's like a little beach. So yeah, super chill. Nobody's here as well. Pretty surprising. Alright, so we just came back to our hostel now, and we finally made the most of the pool here. Pretty nice pool. We've come back to the hostel room now. It started like really pouring it down, so yeah, we had to come back. But yeah, today's been good anyway. We still got to do a lot of things, and we've pretty much explored all this island now, so there isn't that much more to see. And yeah, our impressions of it are just like really good, super chilled out place. And I don't think I've ever been to a little island like this before, so yeah, it's really cool. Like there's only 2,000 people here, so really small. You see like the same people multiple times sometimes. And yeah, I just like the fact that you don't have cars here, so everything's just by bike or golf cart, so that's really cool. And we've actually decided to spend another day here. There's a separate island in the north, so we're probably gonna go to that. I think it's called Coco King, so we're gonna check that out, and then probably after that we'll leave and explore other places in Belize off this island. But yeah, that's the plan at the moment. We weren't even expecting to spend 3 days here, so that just shows how much we've enjoyed it here, really. Drop a like on this video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next video.